Hey guys, welcome back to Study Circle. One of the most important video that I wanted to make from long time was installation of Apache Spark. Nowadays we have to learn lot of open source softwares, but the difficulty is we don't have the installation of all those big data software, and that lead to just having a theoretical knowledge. So to cut through this gap, what I did when I studied Apache Spark is I did a lot of hands-on when I studied the theory. So that helped me to get the feel of what Apache Spark and Apache Spark processing is all about. So I'll just quickly walk you through what all options are available for the local installation and what all things that you can do. So when I started learning, I had 5 different options available with me for hands-on with installation. So let's go through each option. The first option that I had was Amazon VM. Amazon provides virtual machines. VM stand for virtual machines for almost all the important software or almost all the important open source software. You can specifically say it has a separate VM for Hadoop installed, it has separate VM with Spark installed, Hive installed, this kind of stuff. So you can go and buy one Amazon VM, and it charges you based on your usage or based on there is a full charge available as well for a month or so. So that kind of charges are available, but again it's a cost involved option. It's very good, but it's a cost involved option. Then there is something called Cloudera VM. It's definitely available absolutely for free. You can go to Cloudera site and you can download Cloudera virtual machine. It has specific installation instruction, very simple. You just need to install it, and once it's installed you can just open it and start work on it using virtual machine software. Virtual machine software, it's a VM that gets installed as a specific version which opened only with the software like virtual machines and all. So that kind of thing are there, but again the problem with it is hardware, local system hardware that you need is at least of 8 GB RAM and 100 GB hard disk, or but when I tried with 8 GB and 100 GB hard disk, this combination, mine RAM is 8 GB, so 8 GB is very low. The machine hangs, then you have to switch from local machine to VM continuously back and forth, and then start doing all these things. So that is again a very costly option, and it's very difficult to do. Having if you have a 16 GB plus RAM, 16 or higher, then I think would be a good thing to have Cloudera VM, because it gives you feel like production. Everything is pre-installed, you just need to go and start working on the Apache Spark. So that is very good option, but if you have a good RAM available, go with it for a higher configuration machine. Similar option is provided by Azure. Again, it's a very costly option. Then you can install the Spark. If you currently we are learning only Spark, right? So we just want to install Spark. So installing it on your local Windows machine is one such option, or but that option I guess is very much unstable, because some people, even if you go and check on net, Spark is successful on some Windows and not successful on some Windows, because open source software generally work very well with Linux but not with Windows. So not enough support was available. When I tried, I was not able to successfully do it. Now the best option which I saw, it was not costly at all, and even run with a good 8 GB RAM, is the Linux installation. So what you can have is, generally when we were in engineering, or generally when we do practice software, what we try to install Linux as a parallel installation to your current OS. Suppose you own a machine or you own a laptop which already has pre-installed Mac or Windows, let's say, you can always have a parallel installation of Linux machine. Linux, you just need to go to the website, and it will give, with the help of pen drive, it will give you a copy and make your pen drive as bootable, and with that pen drive you can have a parallel Linux installation. So once you have that Linux machine available with you, you can very easily install Spark on it and practice. So for that, even 8 GB is sufficient. So I prefer this fifth one as my option for practice, I would say. So Linux installation and installing Spark version on it is my recommendation. Now how we go with it, I have prepared one document actually, which I will share in the comment. You can go through it. In that there is a link related given as well, where you can see Apache Spark installation tutorial on it's a Linux based. There it's everything is given. So just to walk you through, it's a very simple installation. You just need to have a Linux machine, open the machine, open the terminal and run the command wget, and your whatever the tgz file is available. Now where you get this tgz file is, just go to Apache Spark org. It's given in the document above, but just to give you a little bit of idea, go to apache spark.org. There you can just see first link called download. Once you click on the download, you just need to choose Spark release. There are different versions available. Choose the latest one and choose the package type. So there are different package type available. Always choose pre-built Apache Hadoop 2.7 or later. Always choose a pre-built option. Once you click on it, it will pop up a link, download Spark. Once you click on this link, it will give you a mirror link. So you just this is a mirror link available. So what you do is you do a wget to that link. What wget will do is wget will download all the files. It will do nothing. Download all the tgz files, which are zip files. You can just check ls and you will see that this file is downloaded. Once you have downloaded, go cd to that location. So just cd this. Once you move to that location, what you just need to do is decompress the Spark file into any of the directory or the same directory downloaded. So the command that you use is tar-xvf. -xvf is the command which will unpack the zip file, and it will separate all the files which are present inside the zip folder. Once that is done, do ls once more and you will be able to see whatever the version that you have downloaded, the same name folder would be created. Now let's go into that file, into that folder. Let's go into that folder, and once you move into that folder, you just need to do cd for it. Once you move into that, just do let's run the Spark. So just once you go there, just type in this command bin/spark-shell. So this is the only command that you need to run. Once you run it, it will take some time to pre-build that, and once it's ready, you will see a welcome screen. Once the welcome screen is ready, it's a terminal which is available. There you can directly run any of the Spark commands. So what all things that you did. So next time you want to do is you just need to cd to that folder and type this command. Now next time if you want to do this thing on your own machine, I'll give you just a short demo of it. Let's say let's see how it's done. So if you go here, so if you come here, what you can see is the file when we do wget is downloaded here. Let me just close this. Okay, I downloaded it to my home. When you do wget on this terminal, when you do I have already done it. So when you do the wget, you will see the tgz file installed. When you do decompress, this folder will be created. Now you just need to go to this folder and just copy the location, go inside bin and copy the location of this folder. You can just take the location from here, properties, and just you can get the location. Once you get the location, what you need to do is open the new terminal and type cd to that location. Once you cd to there, you just need to do is type in the command called spark shell. It will take some time to pre-build and restart your Spark shell, and once it's ready, it will be available as a welcome screen. So I have already done that. Since it will take time, let me show you what type of welcome screen will come. This type of welcome screen will come, and welcome to Apache Spark, whatever your version is, and you will see Scala prompt. Now here you can type any command and it will run as is. So this is how we install Spark. So what simple option that I would suggest after checking multiple options online is have a parallel installation of Linux machine separate, and on that machine just see how it has come. Welcome to Spark, whatever command window you have seen. So have a separate parallel installation of Linux machine, and on that Linux machine run the commands which I have documented, and you will be able to have your own Spark installed, and there you can practice any of the command, get the feel of different components that are available. Now we would like to have hands-on for each and every component. To have this hands-on, stay tuned and please subscribe and press on bell icon so that you can get the next upcoming video notification as well. So thanks guys, and if you have any queries, or if you are not able to install, face any issue, just place it as a comment and I'll be able to help you out. Thanks for watching.